You guys, don't look at my hair. It's messy. So we're gonna fix it like that. It's Taco Tuesday! And guess what? We are in the town. Who knows what this town is? Comment below if you're familiar. Alright, so it's Taco Tuesday. We're gonna have tacos. I almost was like, no, we have that big pot of salmonella. The reason I call it that is because I left the turkey soup on the stove. I forgot to put it in the fridge for, it was overnight, so at least 36, pushing 48 hours. Guess what? We ate it last night. We did not get salmonella. I just think of you camping people, and I was like, the campers would eat it. So I'm gonna do it too. Anyways, who knows what the town is? Yes, I'm taking my stuff with me. I was actually gonna put my backpack in the trunk. Oh, the front, excuse me. The front. But I didn't really want to risk somebody prying my trunk open. Alright, here we are. Muy pueblo. We're gonna get some meat. And we're going to, if they have it, oh, they do. They do. It's the greatest, you guys. I love a carniceria. We're gonna get, thanks to Miley. Miley, comment below if you're watching. Look at this. Look at that. You don't need a grocery store. Shop local. Like me. I want the pre-marinated stuff though. Hola. Where is it? I haven't seen it. Oh, look at this, you guys. How great. Oh, that's what we want. Hang on. Look. It's $2.99 a pound. Should we get 10 pounds? My neighbors will love it. Maybe we should just get 5. I don't have a boyfriend yet, so. Hello, how are you? I would like to get the fajitas de pollo. I don't know. Maybe I was thinking like 5 pounds or 10 pounds. What do you think? Do you want to say hi to YouTube? Say hi, YouTube. What's up?
Hi, how are you?
What is your name?
Eduardo.
Eduardo. Eduardo.
Yes.
What's your name?
Your name?
Alfredo.
Alfredo. Say what's up, YouTube.
Alfredo Oliva too.
Olivas.
Olivas.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna get some meat, you guys. 5 people.
3.5.
3.5.
3.5. 4.
Let's
Five
do
people,
5. I was gonna get 10 pounds. In case I get, maybe I'll get a boyfriend. Maybe he wants to eat with me. Okay, what do you think? So 5 pounds? 4 is my favorite number. Should I do 4 pounds?
4.
Okay, we'll do 4 pounds. Okay. And then if I need more, I'll come back and see you, Eduardo.
Alright.
Alright.
Put like a little bit rice or beans, no?
Do you have rice and beans already made?
A little bit beans or rice.
You have it cooked already?
No, no haven't.
Oh,
Yeah.
you don't have it? Okay.
Yeah.
But this meat looks amazing. I'm gonna tell everybody shop local.
Huh?
You don't need to go to Costco, you can come here.
Yeah, here. This is fresh.
This is
It's more better here than me.
Yeah, right? Okay. Now how should I cook it?
Huh?
How should I cook it?
Today?
Yeah, tell YouTube how we should cook the meat. You
Uh,
put it in a pan and fry it?
Huh?
You put it in a pan and fry it? How do you cook it?
Steak.
You cook steak? How do you cook it in a pan or the barbecue?
No, but maybe barbecue is more better.
The barbecue?
Yeah.
Look at that, you guys. Oh, wow. And it's cheap.
Yeah,
$12.
yeah, it's cheap.
Okay. All right, you guys. I'm going to come back and see you. My name is Michelle.
Alright.
I'm YouTube.
Alright.
If you're looking for yourself on YouTube,
Bye. See you next time.
it's going to be the Bay Area
Yeah.
Backyard B on YouTube. That's me.
Oh.
That's how you can find us. All right, you
What's your
guys.
name?
Michelle. On
Michelle?
YouTube, the Bay Area Backyard B.
Oh.
Like a bumblebee.
Probably.
Yeah. So,
Bye.
I will come back and see you guys. Thank you guys. Wow, look at this, you guys. How cool is that? All right. Now, if you're my future boyfriend and you're watching from Bumble, do not send me a message. Don't do it. Send me a video or I'm not gonna ever respond. It's not gonna happen. Yeah, look at all this produce. Look how cool this store is. While we're waiting in line, I'll give, oh, they got hot sauce. And you guys know I love it. Hot sauce. I want as hot as I can get. Hot sauce, hot sauce. Do you guys have a favorite hot sauce? Oh, you know what I can't go wrong with? Is this one. Who loves Valentina? Do you guys love it? Oh, you know what we need? Tortillas. Let's go find them. Now, Miriam, Gigi, if you're watching, she makes the best Mexican food. She'll make us some beans and rice. Look at this. If you want beans and rice, do not go to Costco. I'm here. Which tortillas do you guys like? The options are like endless. This kind of looks good. So, this looks like, I like flour. What do you guys like? I just dropped it. Hang on, let me choose. You know, I wanted like a real authentic flour tortilla, but I can't find it. So we're gonna take this one. And for some reason, something's drawing me to this brand. We're gonna do corn too, because my neighbors like to make chilaquiles. Miriam, Gigi, aka my
Put it there just for like
Alright, so this is dinner. Alright, hopefully I can find a boyfriend by Christmas. And then he'll know exactly what I like to do. Oh my god, guess what? Zach left some lottery tickets. Let's cash them. They have the lotto here. Hello, how are you? Good. Okay, thank you. And then, now how funny would it be if these lottery tickets, I don't gamble, but, oh, so I have these lottery tickets, and Zach said that they're winners. Can you scan them for me? This is gonna pay for dinner. Okay. How great is that? Yes, don't leave anything in your car when you guys come here. Don't do it. How is your day going? Busy? Okay. Let's see, will it pay for dinner? He's scanning the tickets in. $50? Oh, so can I pay for some of it with that? Oh, and then can I get the rest in lottery tickets? Why not? You could choose for me. I'm not a gambler, so I bet whatever you pick will win. I'm talking to my YouTube subscribers, so I'm showing them this great store. I was telling them there's no need to go to Costco or the grocery store. You guys got great meat here. Yeah. Okay, he's picking, what's your name?
Jabber.
Jabrin? Okay, Jabrin's getting our tickets, you guys. We're gonna win. I'm gonna wait till we get home and scratch them. You wanna say hi to YouTube? Say hi, Jabrin. Okay, now, when I get home, I'm gonna scratch them and I'll post the video. And we'll see if he picked the winning ticket. If he did, I'm gonna come back and cash them with you. And then we're gonna buy more. Okay, he wants his ticket. Oh, yeah, Jeff, here we go. Oh. I'm coming. They called me to come back. Guess what? My friend gave me lottery tickets. They were winning. I got 50 winning tickets. And if I had $50, my friend gave me.
Are you maybe rich? Maybe.
No, my friend. I do Airbnb, and one of my guests, he left me winning lottery tickets. $50. This was like $26. So it paid for all of my food and then more lottery tickets. I don't even gamble. But yeah, my friend gave it to me, so I said.
Nice. Hey, put it out. Check the video.
Oh, okay, hang on, guys. We gotta get him tuned into our channel.
Good.
Yeah, Zach, thank you for dinner.
All right, bye. Thank you.
Okay, bye, guys.
Bye. See you next time.
Okay, you guys can watch me cook it. I'm gonna go home and cook it. You can tell me if I did it right or wrong.
Yeah, yeah.
Alright. Bye, guys.
Rich.
And tell everybody to come here. Tell them the address and the name of
Yes,
the
2038 International Boulevard.
and the store is called
Yeah, mi pueblo también.
Mi Pueblo.
Yeah, mi pueblo.
What does that mean in English?
English?
My house? Mi Pueblo?
Mi pueblo, yeah.
What does it mean in English?
Pueblo, yes, mi pueblo.
My house?
The store?
Mi
No,
pueblo?
mi pueblo is
Mi store?
yeah, the store.
Pueblo is the store?
Yeah.
Alright. Come to Mi Pueblo. Alright, guys. Thank you. Happy Taco Tuesday. Alright, guys. This is going to be great. Now, again, when I get a boyfriend, then I'm going to get 10 pounds because any kind of guy. Hello, guys. Hey, ladies, if you're looking for a guy, tons of them work here. Alright. To the neighborhood. Yeah, don't go to Costco, you guys. Don't go to Safeway. Don't go to Rayleigh's. Don't go to Buc-ee's if you're in Texas. No, I'm kidding. Do actually. They've got great brisket. I absolutely love it. It's your song, you guys. Hang on, I gotta get in the car. Alright, guys, let's get buckled up. Wow, I made you a whole video. We're at 11 minutes and almost 30 seconds. We don't want to get copyrighted. Alright. If you guys want to stay with me and do all the fun things that we're gonna do, book the Airbnb. The link is on the channel, you guys. I keep telling you. And I will take you anywhere you want. It's like up to you. Alright. Find me a boyfriend and quit sending me messages on Bumble because I'm not gonna open them. Send a video only or go away.